Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines.
Rains wreck life in state. Trains derail, cancel, villages marooned, huge damage. Rescue operations on, dams filled to capacity. Congress leaders back in Goa after meeting Rahul. No official confirmation on state president despite turmoil. On the other hand, BJP National President JP Nadda to arrive in state tomorrow. AAP chief has just now come and gone. Cabinet clears Mineral Corporation Act, says will impose house tax on illegal dwellings, implement Motor Vehicle Act from April 22.
And now for the news in detail. The cabinet meeting held on Friday gave a nod to the Goa Mineral Development Corporation Bill. This bill will be passed in the upcoming assembly session in a bid to restart mining through the corporation avenue. The cabinet also decided to impose house tax on illegal houses and implement the new Motor Vehicle Act by April 2022.
The Supreme Court had quashed the review petition on extension of leases to 88 mines. When the Chief Minister was in Delhi landed, he had said the government has two options to set up mining corporation or go for an auction.
Goa Mineral Development Corporation same आम्ही ordinance pass केला. It is going for the assembly bill म्हणून mining corporation.
घरां इल्लीगल जी आसा आख्खे गोंयांत इन पंचायत एरियाज तांकां आमी टॅक्स बसोवपा जाय. सो आमकां तेजेर पंचायती राज एक्ट बदल हाडचो पडटा, तो कायदो आमी बदलचो पडटा. सो तो आमी आज कॅबिनेटी पास करून घेतलेलो आसा. सो एवरी स्ट्रक्चर which illegally exists and in most cases it is their own property in all the village panchayats आमी पळयला तांकां हाऊस टॅक्स आमी बसयतले. आमी पयला आमचे गोंयांत जशे फॅमिली वाडटा सादे नोड्यांचे घर आशिल्ले वा चुट्टांचे देखून एक एकदां घर आशिल्ले आनी नोडे आसताले वयर ते आतां लोक भायर वयता येतात पयशे आज जेन्ना तरक्की करता प्रोग्रेस करता तांकां टॅरसीचे घर बांदपा जाय. तेंचे ओन एरिया सेम प्लिंथ एरिया सुद्धा घर बांदतना खूब हॅरेसमेंट तेंचो जातालो आनी वेगळे वेगळे डिपार्टमेंटां तांकां क्लियरन्स घेवची पडटाली, कन्वर्शन परत घेवचें पडटालें, मागीर हें टावन एंटान कंट्री प्लॅनिंग घेताले म्हणून लोक कितें करताले हे कटकट्यो आसा म्हूण डायरेक्टली इल्लीगल बांदताले. सो आमकां गोंयांत हेजे फुडें इल्लीगल घरां जाल्ली नाका, ताका लागून आमी होय एमेंडमेंट हाडला जे कोणाचे नोड्यांचे घर आसा सादे घर आसा तांकां 1+1 or 1+2 बांदपाक विलेजीन मेळटलें. दे डोंट हॅव टू गो टू अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स. ऑटोमॅटीक क्लियरन्स लायसन्स डायरेक्ट पंचायत दितली आनी पंचायतूच परमिशन दितले तांकां आनी फुडलें परमिशन ना. Structural engineer has to certify 1+1 बांदतलो जाल्यार that also is there in the it is already there. So we have taken that care also. So they also know the law. Suppose कोणाचे 100 square meter or 150 आहा तो फाल्यां तो 500 बांदतलो. That will be the responsibility of the engineer. कायच्या काय कितें जावपा ना.
Cabinet has decided to impose house tax on illegal houses. Also, the cabinet had decided to relax all formalities, including the conversion certificate from TCP for those who want to extend the house or to build double-story buildings. Only permission from Panchayat will be made mandatory under Goa Panchayati Raj Act Amendment 2021. Panchayat Minister Moin Gudin and Chief Minister gave details.
FAR जो परमिटेड आसा ग्राम पंचायत एरियेन तितकोच FAR आनी ताणें क्लियर कट सांगला विच इज द प्लिंथ एरिया विच इज द एक्झिस्टिंग प्लिंथ एरिया ओनली टू टेक द ग्राउंड +1 एक्झिस्टिंग पंचायत विल इशू द लायसन्स फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स एंड ऑल्सो दे विल इशू द ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट जाका म्हणटा आनी ताच्याच बरोबर ताजो टॅक्स जो आसा पळय न्ही ते अकॉर्डिंग टू द एरिया they'll assess the tax and they'll implement the tax. की मॅक्झिमम लोकांक जाता तितकी मदत करपा खातीर ह्या सरकारान घेतलेलो निर्णय आसा. त्या खातीर ग्रामपंचायतींतले सरपंच पंच आमच्या कडेन जो सेक्रेटरी आमचो आसा ताकाय आमी ताकीद दितले की आमकां गोंयच्या लोकांक मदत करपाची आसा. आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक जाता तितकी जे कोण घरां बांदता बारीक लोक बांदतात तांकां आपली घरां बांदून दिवपाक मदत करपाक जाय. त्या अनुसार सरकारान घेतलेलो हो निर्णय आसा. जर इन केस तसोच कितें प्रॉब्लेम जालो दे विल अपील टू द डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत विल टेक कॉल.
Cabinet has also decided to implement new Motor Vehicle Act by April 2022. The new act will be implemented with minimum fines, said the Transport Minister, who gave details.
implementation of the chapter 13 in offense of the penalties in the respect to the Motor Vehicle Act, which is an implementation in Pakistan with the minimum fees, and from the 1st of April 2022 according to the current कोर्टाच्या ह्याच्यानुसार करचो पडटा.
एप्रिल 2022 आम्ही न्यू मोटर व्हेकल ऍक्ट मिनिमम फायन ऑनरेबल सीएमान सांगला तशें मिनिमम ऑफ द मिनिमम फायन्स वीच सेंटर हॅज प्रपोज आम्ही एप्रिलांतसून इम्प्लिमेंट करतले. आता तुम्ही म्हणटले कशें तुमी आतां इम्प्लिमेंट करता. आम्ही हेजे स्टडी केला. सरकार बेश्टोच कसले डिसिजन घेयना. दुसऱ्या स्टेटींनी इम्प्लिमेंट थोड्यांनी करपाक लेट आसा कित्याक तेणी रिप्रेझेंटेशन केल्लें आसा सेंटरा थोड्यो फायन मातशें देंवया म्हणून. आमी केल्ले आसा. सो टील एप्रील कितें जाता तें पळया. सपोज ते फायन देंवयना आसा तशें दवरता आमकां पालन करचेंच पडटलें.
Sham Chari Fogwa 365 from Porvorim.
The heavy rains wreaked havoc on Thursday. Sakli, Shapora, Ugwe, Talpona, Sal, Bicholi and Ganjem were submerged. People were displaced as water flooded into their houses. 13 trains were cancelled. A train was derailed at Dudhsagar due to a landslide. The Chorla Ghat was also blocked because of another landslide. Mobile networks were affected and BSNL was completely down, leading to many emergency numbers, including 108, apparently not functioning.
The landslide near Dudhsagar waterfall blocked railway tracks. As a consequence, a railway engine along with two bogies derailed after the mud and rocks hit the train. Luckily, no injuries were reported. The work to clear the railway track is underway. The incessant rains in Konkan and Goa disrupted the Konkan railway service. Most trains of Konkan Railway were sent back to Margao. Meanwhile, rail service was disrupted between Ratnagiri and Raigad on Friday.
Water of Vasishti river has still not receded and still it's raining over there, and on account of this, in view of safety of passengers, we have decided to cancel some trains. I'll just read out the list of the cancelled trains. 01152 Madgaon CSMT Jan Shatabdi of 2 days, 02620 Mangalore to LTT of 2 days, 01134 Mangalore Junction CSMT, 02618 Nizamuddin Ernakulam, 0635 LTT Trivandrum, 2619 LTT Mangalore, 01133 CSMT Mangalore Junction, 01004 Sawantwadi Dadar, 02431 Trivandrum Nizamuddin, 06338 Ernakulam Oka, 06083 Trivandrum Nizamuddin, 08048 Vasco Howrah, 07420 Vasco Tirupati. These are the trains which have been cancelled. One locomotive has derailed and work of restoration of that locomotive is in full swing. Besides this, we have diverted some of the trains. Train number 09262, which has left Porbandar yesterday and proceeding towards Kochivili, has been diverted via Panvel, Pune, Wadi, Dharmavaram, E Road and further on proper route. Train number 09331, Kochivili, Indore, is diverted via Renugunta, Gudur, Vijayawada, Ballarsha, Itarsi, Bhopal, Ujjain and further on proper route. Further, if any diversion or cancellation, will be advising later.
25 people from Tiral and Takwado have been moved to safety after Khandepar river flooded. There are 45 houses in this area. Usgaon, Khandepar and Waghurme villages have suffered most due to flooding of Khandepar river. Watch these visuals. Most places in Goa were inundated due to the incessant rains. People from Perne, Sal, Bichole, Sakli and Satari Taluka were badly hit by the floods. Some villages were cut off as roads and bridges were submerged. Sham Chari, Sandeep Tuekar and Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant reviewed the damage caused by floods after visiting affected areas. He said that Goa had last witnessed such floods in 1982. The loss due to the flood was pegged in crores. Bicholi, Satari, Dharbandra, Pedne were the worst affected, the Chief Minister said.
Chief Minister said almost 1,000 houses, 32 hectares of fields were submerged. Losses to fields has been pegged to Rs 2.50 crore. The Navy has conducted rescue operations in Ganja Uskaon. 88 houses in Pernem, 67 in Bardes, 164 in Bicholim, 130 in Sattari, 18 in Sangem and 135 in Dharbandora have suffered losses. The report from some areas is yet to come.
स्पेशली सत्तरी तालुका, दिवचल तालुका, फोंडा तालुका, धारबांदोडा तालुका, बार्देश आणि पेडणे या भागात खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात म्हणजे आज सकाळी फातोडी 3:30-4 वाजल्यापासून खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात म्हणजे इतके उदक हे आजपर्यंत भरूंक नाशिल्लें. आजपर्यंत फक्त 82 सगळ्यात मोठे ओव्हर येयल्ले जाका म्हणटा ते 82 आयले. ताज्या उपरांत आजपर्यंत येवंक नाशिल्लें. म्हणजे हांवेनूय 82तले पळयलां म्हणून म्हाका खबर आसा, हांवें एक्सपिरियन्सूय आसा. पण हे फावटी जे पळयलें तेज्या पेक्षा खूब चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात लॉस करून गेले. आनी जेणे करून आमी म्हणटा की हांव थोडोसो आतां रफ रिपोर्ट आमचे सगळे डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंटच्यो टीम ह्यो पुराय इवन दो आमचे आमदार, सरपंच, पंच, मिनिस्टर्स हांवूय सकाळपासून सकाळी 7 उठला तसो आतां पर्यंत हांव फिल्डानूच आशिल्लो. पेडण्या तालुक्यान एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 88 हावजीस जी आसा ही अफेक्टेड जाली. शापोरा रिवर जी आसा ती पूर्ण भरोन व्हांवताली. 8 जाणांक इवॅक्युएट करचे पडले. ताज्या उपरांत बार्देस तालुक्यांत शापोरा रिवर जी आहा ही पूर्ण भरोन व्हांवता. 167 हावजीस ही मायनर अफेक्टेड जाल्यार 9 जाणांक इवॅक्युएट करचे पडले. ताज्या उपरांत आमी दिवचल तालुक्यान वाळवंटी रिवर आनी शापोरा रिवर दोनूय 164 हावजीस अफेक्टेड जाल्यार जवळपास 40 पेक्षा चड लोकांक तांच्या घरांतल्यान रेस्क्यू बोट व्हरोन तांकां भायर काडचें पडलें. सत्तरी तालुक्यांतली मादई आनी वाळवंटी ही खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात रुद्र अवतार घेवन सामकी व्हांवता म्हणटा तशी 130 घरांक आतां पर्यंत रिपोर्ट येयल्ल्या प्रमाणे मेजर डॅमेज जाला. इवन दो पैकूळ हांगासरलो ब्रिजूय बी कंप्लिटली वॉश आउट जावन गेलो. 65 पेक्षा चड लोकांक थंयच्यान आमकां इवॅक्युएट करचे पडले. तिसवाडीत व्हडलीशी डॅमेज जावंक ना. ताज्या उपरांत फोंडा तालुक्यांत उजगांव आनी वागुर्मे हांगासर खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात खूब लोकांक ताजो नंबर कितली घरां अफेक्टेड जालो तो अजुनूय मेळूंक ना. बट खूब लोक जे आसा घरांत अडकून दवरलेले ते आमकां सालसेत तालुक्यान फक्त कुशावती खातीर थोडोसो फ्लडेड आशिल्ली. पण व्हडली कांय डॅमेज जावंक ना. मार्मागांव तालुक्यान व्हडली डॅमेज ना. सांग्यार फक्त कुशावती रिवर फ्लडेड जाल्ली. 18 हावजीस अफेक्टेड आसा. आमकां जवळपास 84 लोकांक इवॅक्युएट केले आनी केप्यान मोठ्या प्रमाणात डॅमेज जावंक ना. धारबांदोडा तालुक्यांत दूधसागर आनी रगाडा रिवर ही खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात ती फ्लडेड जावन व्हांवता. 135 हावजीस आतां पर्यंत अफेक्टेड जाला. 150 लोकांक इवॅक्युएट केल्ले आसा. तळपण रिवर काणकोणा ही फ्लडेड आसा. आतां पर्यंत जवळपास 60 लोकांक थंयच्यान इवॅक्युएट दुसरे कडेन केल्ले आसा. क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीजची डॅमेज जी आसा कारण लोकांची मातयेची घरां ही खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात डॅमेज जावन कॉलॅप्स जाल्या. इवॅक्युएशन ड्रायव्ह नेवीचे इवन दो पोर्ट नेवीचे हेलिकॉप्टरूय स्वता उजगांव हांगासर गांजे जे लोक उरलेले तांकां हाडपाकूय गेल्ले. बट लोकांक डायरेक्टली ते येवपाक भंय दिसपाक लागलो. म्हणून स्वता आमचे मिनिस्टर थंय आसा की आतां परत थंयसर कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट आनी आमचे इवॅक्यू बोट्स ह्यो थंय धाडून जवळपास एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 20-25 जाणांक थंय काडले. सकाळी फुडें आमच्या सुपाची पूड हरवळ्या म्हणटा थंयसर 23 जाणांक इवॅक्यू करून काडलेले आसा.
There is primarily estimate loss of 2.54 crore rupees for fields.
एग्रीकल्चरा भितर 12 तालुक्याचो आमचे कडेन रिपोर्ट आसा आनी आतां आमचे रिपोर्ट येयला त्या प्रमाणे 832 हेक्टर जमीन लॉस जाल्ले आसा आनी 2.55 crore सद्या रिपोर्ट येयला त्या प्रमाणे लॉस सद्या जाल्ले आसा.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
The sinking of roads due to shoddy sewage pipeline laying work in Kalangut has become a headache for Kongodkars. Imagine what will happen if and when the pipeline becomes functional and the road keeps sinking in the rain every year. Former Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira asks, warning that Goans will be forced to leave the place.
The roads in Kalangut are horrible. Moon-like craters have now appeared on the road. The roads are sunk, creating craters not at one or two but at various places. PWD Sewerage Department should be given the credit for this, says locals, pointing out that every year it is the same story. Roads have been sinking where the sewage pipeline and chambers have been laid for 3 years now. This time too heavy rains have exposed the shoddy quality of work. The pipelines are not functional as the sewage treatment plant at Baga is not yet commissioned. What will happen if the sewage pipeline starts functioning and this happens? Listen to what Joseph Sequeira has to say.
आयज रस्त्यांचेर आमचे फावंटनां चालू जालेली आसा उदक भायर येता ते आयज तरी हे उदक तरी येयले फावंटन जाले जाल्यार येणाऱ्या काळार आमकां हो प्रोजेक्ट तरी कंप्लीट जालो जाल्यार मागीर कितें आमचें कोंगटकारांचें कोंगटकाराक आनी कोंगटीन रावंक जावचें ना आनी ही परिस्थिती जातली की कोंगटकार आमी भायर सरचे पडटले की बाबा इकून ट्युरिझम काबार जातले ते जातले पूण आमी पोटाक उपाशी पडटले कित्याक म्हणटा कित्याक तो वास सोसूंक जावचो ना हो वास हे उदक आमच्या घरांनी भितर सरतले आनी हे तरेन आमकां हे बरे त्रास जातले.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.
Top Goa Congress leaders were called to Delhi ostensibly to discuss on the upcoming elections. However, what was not officially spoken about is the major differences within the Congress in Goa. The leaders met Rahul Gandhi and now everybody is waiting for a decision about whether Girish Chodankar will continue as the GPCC chief or whether there will be a change. Here's more.
Girish, opposition leader Digambar Kamath, Luizino Falero, MP Francisco Sardina, Ramakant Khalap, MLA Alex Rajana Lawrence, AICC General Secretary, Organization KC Venugopal and Goa Congress in charge Dinesh Gundurao met Rahul. Listen to what Reginald, who has till date not hidden his dislike of Girish, has to say.
I have been continuously with the party. So we have given him what we want. So we are hoping some changes will happen. Sorry? No, we have asked, we have said that we want a change in the structure of the party.
Will you leave the party coming down?
See, I have been loyal to the party. If they don't give me a good decision, then we'll see. Why will cross the bridge?
Going on a contest of independent, is that true, sir?
Sorry?
News is going on that contest of independent in case the party is not agreeing to your demand. Is that true?
Why you all want news in advance?
Is that true?
Why you want news in advance? Elections are a long time away. Why you want news in
But
advance?
a proposal Gaila sir on that
Okay.
party change, presidency change, party change.
Sogali gaila angit galpa hade.
But are you
We are
hopeful?
expecting a change. That's it.
Are you hopeful, sir, that your voices will be heard at the center?
It will.
Girish, on the other hand, parroted the line handed down by the High Command. Listen.
आम्ही ऑलरेडीच इलेक्शन मोडान गेल्ले आसा आमी कंप्लिटली एज्युकेशनल मोडान गेल्ले आसा आनीक लोकांचे इशू घेता पक्ष बांधणीचें काम चालू आसा प्रत्येक फ्रंटल ऑर्गनायझेशन महिला काँग्रेस युथ काँग्रेस सेवादळ NSY हे आपापले तरेन काम करतात दोन्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी काम करतात ब्लॉक कमिटी एक्टिवेट जाल्ली आसा सो त्या हेजेर आमी ऑलरेडी लोकांक जिखपाचे प्रयत्न चालू आसा आनी संघटना जी जाय इलेक्शना टायमार ती संघटना आमी सद्या एक्टिवेट करपाचें काम आमचें फाटल्या डिफरन्स ऑफ ओपिनियन जावं कितें ते डिफरन्सीस आसपाक शकता ते प्रत्येक कडेन आसतात परिवाराकूय आसतात सगळ्याक आसतात सो ते सगळे आसतनाय कशें एक जावन आमी फायट करप आनी कशें करून जी चॅलेंज आसा आमकां की जे कम्युनल फोर्सीस आसा जे डेमोक्रेसी काबार करपाक सोदतात कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन काबार करपाक सोदतात तांकां गोंयच्यान तडीपार करपाक जाय आनी बारीक बारीक लोक त्रासान आसात कारण गोंयच्या लोकांक हे BJP जेणी लोकांक सारके त्रास केल्ले आसात लोक सगळे दुख्खी आसात त्या सगळे हांकां डिफीट करपाक जाय ह्या BJP सरकार म्हणटा गोंयच्या लोकांक नाका सो त्या हेजेर लोकांची जे डिमांड्स आसा लोकांची जी वीज आसा ही एक बरो काँग्रेसी सरकार गोंयांत येवपाक जाय त्या संदर्भान आमकां आमच्या लिडरशिपीन सांगलां की काम करात आनी लोकांची इशू घेवन फायट करात आनी लोकांची मनं जिकात आनी इलेक्शन जिकात.
Senior Congress leader Luizino Falero said he was offered to take reins of Congress president in Goa, but he refused and would continue to work for party.
Overall, he has taken a stock of the situation. He wanted to know how is the situation. how is the preparedness? And definitely necessary steps will be taken to see that party comes victorious like last time.
Sir, looking at the present situation of the Congress party, where a lot of people have left the party, there are a lot of confusion between the party leaders. How you are looking at the Congress?
No, I am a congressman. I had been congressman. I will continue to be a congressman. Don't ask me such questions.
There has been talk of MP Francisco Sardina being handed over the reins of the party in the run-up to the elections. However, the man who defeated him, Kurtorim II, is in the race. There are other contenders, but these could be the main ones, especially as Luizino has ruled himself out. However, with the Congress, one never knows, though it has showed itself to favor older leaders instead of younger ones, leading to exodus of youth from the grand old party. Hero Male for GOA 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. Heavy to very heavy rainfall, very likely at a few places, with extremely heavy rainfall, very likely at isolated places on 23rd to the 25th of July. We could also get rainfall on the 26th and 27th. Rain will be accompanied by gusty winds. Here's more.
Heavy rainfall very likely at a few places, with very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 25th July. Heavy rainfall very likely at few places on 26th July. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 27th July. Wind speeds of 45 to 55 km per hour gusting to 65 km per hour very likely on 23rd, 24th and 25th July. Warning for South Maharashtra Goa coast up to 75 km. Strong wind speed reaching 50 to 60 km per hour gusting to 70 km per hour likely to prevail along and off South Maharashtra coast on 23rd and 24th July. Strong wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off South Maharashtra coast on 25th and 27th July. Fishermen are advised not to venture along and off North Maharashtra coast. Warning for high seas other coasts beyond 75 km from coast. Strong winds with wind speeds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail over southwest and central Arabian Sea from 23rd to 27th July. Strong winds with wind speeds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off Gulf of Mannar from 23rd and 24th July. Strong winds with wind speeds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off Kerala Karnataka coast, Lakshadweep and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea from 23rd to 27th July. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during above mentioned period.
हम स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं कि पास्ट 24 आवर्स एंडिंग एट 8:30 AM ऑफ 23 जुलाई को गोवा के डिफरेंट स्टेशनों से जो रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट हुआ वो डिटेल हम देख सकते हैं. तो इन पास्ट 24 आवर्स हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल वाज रिपोर्टेड फ्रॉम वालपोई स्टेशन व्हिच रिपोर्टेड एक्सट्रीमली हेवी रेनफॉल व्हिच वाज 29 centimeters of rainfall. Second highest was from Sanki which was 21 centimeters. केपेम से रिपोर्ट किया गया 15 centimeters. ओल्ड गोवा, कानकोन, पोंडा ये स्टेशनों से भी अराउंड 10 to 11 सेंटीमीटर्स ऑफ रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया. पणजी में रिपोर्ट किया गया 6 सेंटीमीटर्स ऑफ रेनफॉल. और अगर हम ये 29 सेंटीमीटर जो वालपोई में रिपोर्ट हुआ उसके बारे में बताएं तो वालपोई में इससे पहले भी बहुत बार.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching. Goa 365.